Hey guys, Garrett here from iOS Pro today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Magic Keyboard with your Apple TV today. So let's get started. So in order to use the Magic Keyboard with your Apple TV is, first thing, make sure your TV is running the latest tvOS 16 firmware, which is 16.2 and 16.3. It doesn't really matter which firmware you're on. I am actually on 16.3. Next, go to Settings, go to Remotes and Devices, go to Bluetooth, then turn your Magic Keyboard on right here, and then it should appear. It takes a second for it to appear. There it is, iOS Pro's keyboard, which is my keyboard here. And there we go, keyboard is now connected. If this worked, then hit the escape key right here, should go back. Yes, and it works, just like that. Hitting the escape key goes back. If I hit the arrows right here, left, right, I meant then left, up, down, I can navigate TV just like that. But this actually fixes two big issues when you're using Apple TV. First thing is, if I go to search, one of the biggest problems with the Apple TV, two of them, is when you're going to type, was it really to type, select one letter and then all the way to the other side, select another, go all the way back, select. It basically takes over almost a minute, 2 minutes to type a sentence. But if you use dictation, it can misunderstand you sometimes. So it would try to put one thing when you're actually trying to say the other. So if I say like a movie like Space, in the Earth Space movies, but then it'll type something else, which I do not want it to do. That's two of the biggest problems, like taking a long time to type and misunderstanding the diction. That's basically what this fixes. Using the keyboard fixes everything, like this. Like typing hello, then typing test. You see how much quicker that went when I did that. So instead of holding the button where I say test and it misunderstands me, I can do it on the keyboard. Now you guys can type whatever you want really quick, but you cannot use this keyboard to enable dictation. But believe you can use the old-fashioned ways, but it's a lot slower and harder to use. This one makes it go a whole lot faster, where I can basically quick type something when I want. I won't have to worry about mistyping anything. So that's why it's nice to have the Magic Keyboard for your Apple TV. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up for the video. Peace out.